Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Claude Code for SQL. First, install Claude Code using the CLI. Open your terminal and run the install command. Then verify the installation by typing claude -- version to make sure everything is working correctly. Next, open your SQL project. Navigate to your project folder using the change directory command in your terminal. This folder can contain SQL files or backend code like Node or Python. Now, start Claude by running the command Claude. This will open the interactive AI mode, where you can begin working with SQL. Here, you can start asking SQL prompts. For a basic query, type a prompt like write a SQL query to get all users with the age above 25, and Claude will generate the query for you. Next, for more advanced queries, type a prompt like join users and orders tables to show total orders per user. This helps when working with multiple tables and relationships. After that, you can debug queries. Type a prompt like fix the SQL query and explain the error, and then paste your query such as select all form users where age equals 20. Claude will correct it and explain the issue. Now you can work with your database schema. Paste your schema like table users with ID, name, email, and table orders with ID, user_ID total. Then ask, create a query to find the top 5 users by total spending. Next, you can generate full SQL files. Type a prompt like create a complete SQL schema for an e-commerce app, and Claude will generate tables, relationships, and indexes automatically. After that, you can use Claude with real databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or SQLite. The workflow is simple. First, generate the query using Claude, then copy the query, and after that, run it in your database tool. Finally, you can use advanced prompts for real-world tasks. For example, type create a migration to add a phone column to the user table, or write SQL to calculate monthly revenue. These are useful for database updates and data analysis. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.